These cute animal clips will leave you in awe. First up, we have a pack of ducklings, and we all can see the favorite one. These mice feel very safe in between his feet. This hen is very protective of its children. This monkey's having his first bath ever. Here's the most realistic looking dinosaur doll. Here's some very smart bees. I just love seeing these hamsters jump. He wanted to go for a swim, but was too lazy. These baby goats love climbing anything. This alpaca sees himself for the very first time. These rodents feel very safe in the mugs. It's cool how his head doesn't even move. Here's a very protective cat. Mr. Krabs can write. If you take a close look, they're actually kittens, not puppies. Don't forget to leave a like, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.